this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2007 Mazda 6, stock number 6524. This ran from the 7th 2005 to the 2nd 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door card. Center console lift. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.